Hi, I'm Miss Phoebe. Karibu. Welcome to Lesson 1, Swahili Greetings.
Habari. Ha-ba-ri. It means hello or how are you? Habari. Ha-ba-ri. Habari. Ha-ba-ri. Now you try. To say good morning, say habari za asubuhi. To say good morning, say habari za asubuhi. In the evening, habari za jioni. Try it with me. Habari za jioni. You can ask hujambo. Hujambo. Reply sijambo. Sijambo.
Habari.
Habari. Hujambo.
Sijambo, asante, na wewe? I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Great job. Today you learned habari, habari za asubuhi, habari za jioni, and hujambo sijambo. Practice these with a friend. If you learned something new, please like this video and subscribe to Miss Phoebe for more AI-powered Swahili lessons. Tutaonana. See you soon.